In this video, I will show you how to add a phone number to your Roblox account. Adding a phone number is important for keeping your account safe. The process is simple and can be completed in just a few easy steps. First, open up the Roblox mobile app on your device. Once you're in the app, tap on the More button, located at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now, scroll all the way down until you reach Settings. Tap on it to enter the Settings menu. On this page, find and tap on Account Info. Here, you'll see an option labeled Phone Number. Next to it is an option that says Add Phone. Go ahead and tap on that. Now a new window will appear. First, select your country or area code. This is crucial as it ensures you receive messages correctly based on your location. After selecting your code, type in your phone number. Rest assured, this information will never be displayed publicly, your privacy is protected. Once you've entered your phone number accurately, tap Continue to proceed to the next step. At this point, you'll need to complete a quick challenge to prove that you're not a robot. Follow any instructions provided here carefully. Next up, check your registered email address for a one-time verification code sent by Roblox. Once you've received that code, enter it into the designated text box provided. After entering the code, that's it. There are no other steps required. Your phone number has now been successfully added to your Roblox account. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.